this video, I will give you an honest Outlier.ai review, tell you if it's a scam or if it's worth it, are they legit or not, and can you actually make money doing this. So first of all, on the Outlier.ai website, you will see that they have 40,000 experts, where they have paid out over $100 million. Now, if you divide this $100 million right here that has been paid out, under these 40,000 experts, so 100 million divided by 40,000, then you will get to a number of 2,500, which means the average expert on Outlier.ai has earned $2,500. Now, in terms of the assignments, you can see that there are 3.4 million assignments that have been done and 100 million paid out, which means that every assignment got about $30. Now, in order to actually get started, you do need to have an expertise in something. So you can see a couple of them right here. So generalist, math, chemistry, law, history, coding, data science. And what you will actually be doing is to train an AI. So Outlier wants to make the most advanced AI. Now here you can see all of them. So if you have any of these skills, then you can start doing the AI training for Outlier. So you can do, for example, remote AI training for Norwegian writers, for Latvian writers, Italian writers, or any other language right here. So if you speak any of these language, then you can just apply. Now, for example, I speak Dutch, so I can click on Dutch right here, and then you will see how it works. So they have projects that you can do. You can do them remotely with flexible hours. You can work whenever is best for you, and your earnings from ongoing projects are sent out weekly. Now you will also see what you will need to do, so you work on various writing in Dutch projects to train generative AI models. Then here you have the preferred qualification, so you can see if you actually qualify, and the base pay rate is up to $30 per hour, so they have a very good base pay rate. Now, in order to apply for any of these jobs, you can just go to the specific job and then you can apply with LinkedIn, or you can enter your details right here. So your first name, last name, are you a native Dutch speaker? Or if you choose, for example, I'll take another one here, for example, coding expert, then you can click coding expert. And then again, you can apply to this job right here and you will again get paid up to $30 per hour. So is this a scam? Do they actually pay out? And do they actually have any jobs? In my experience, this is 100% not a scam. And to give a review of Outlier, I think it is perfect for people that want to do a little side hustle and just make some money on the side with very flexible hours and location freedom. I wouldn't do this as my main job, but if you want to make some money on the side with something that you may even enjoy, such as coding or writing, then I would 100% recommend Outlier.ai. Now here in the view jobs, you can again see all of the jobs that they have. So you can just find one that is good for you. For example, if you are a nutritionist, then they have something for that. If you are a mathematician, then they have something for that. So any type of expertise you can actually add. So they also have self-help, sociology, physics, and a bunch more. And once you apply to a job, you will actually get to speak with a person from Outlier. They will qualify if you actually have an expertise, and then you will actually get paid for doing the tasks. So there are three types of tasks that you will be doing. First, rating and ranking. So you have some kind of a prompt, and then the AI will give a few responses, and then you just rank the responses in terms of which one is best. They have an open rewrite. So with an open rewrite assignment, experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an AI model to expand upon. And you have a multi-model, which basically means that you help train models generate and classify information from multiple modalities, including images, audio, or video. So this is all pretty fun to do in my opinion, and you can just get started by clicking view jobs and just choosing whichever one you want. Now looking at a few reviews, you can see that they have a rating of 4.2 stars out of 5, and if we read the reviews right here, the reviews are pretty good. So in my opinion, it's 100% not a scam, and I recommend just trying it out in your free time. If this Outlier.ai review was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.